So welcome back. It's been a while, hasn't it? The last video you probably saw was the very first drive of the K-Swap Civic. We had a bit of a breakdown on that drive where we had a bit of a coolant issue, so unfortunately we didn't make it to Cafe and Machine. Now tomorrow is part 2 of that, so we're 3 months on, so something like that. Yeah, unfortunately the car is at my dad's at the moment because I had a leak at the house which destroyed the garage ceiling, and I don't want the ceiling falling in the car, so the Civic is actually at my dad's garage at the moment, and I've just come over because it's an early start at Cafe and Machine in the morning. We're going to get there for 9, so it's going to be about 7 AM start. I kind of thought, let's do it at my house, so let's get the car back at my house overnight, and then I don't have to wake up my dad and his neighbours. So yeah, he's just painted the floor in here, and it looks absolutely awesome in this garage at the moment. As you can see there, it just looks pretty cool. So I'm going to get this out because I actually have something that I've been sitting on figuratively for 3 months, something like that. I've wanted this seat for a very, very long time, but I know you have to lose a lot of weight to fit in it. And when I bought it, don't know what the hell was going on, but I bought it and I thought, yeah, I can fit in this. I sat in it on the day and I obviously fit in it, but didn't realise that after about 30 seconds I'm in a lot of pain on my hips. So after 3 months, or about 10 weeks, 11 weeks of solidly trying to lose some weight, I've lost about 2.5 stone now, and I think, well, I know I can fit in it. It's just whether the hour-and-a-half journey there and the hour-and-a-half journey back, we'll see how that's going to fare. But I have a genuine Bride Zeta 3, or Zeta 3, however you say it, glitter back with the optional extra cover on the back as well. So I don't know whether to keep this cover because it's more of a cushion. It's basically to stop people kicking the back if they're in the back and hurting their knees or whatever. But yeah, obviously I quite like the glitter back, so it's whether I take this off at some point. But tomorrow or tonight I'm just going to fit it. It's got Bride rails on as well. I'm going to also do a bolt check on the car. I've done a bolt check on the front as much as I can on the driveway, but I'm going to take it back to Dale's On a Mission, Dale and Amy at On a Mission, to basically get up on the ramp and do a full bolt check. I'm going to jack up the back and do the back, so I've not had a look at the back yet, and it's a bit sketchy at high speed, so I just want to check if there's anything wrong because it's quite a long journey tomorrow. The seat's now in. Looks pretty good. It's going to be a little bit dark, show you better in the morning, but got it on the highest setting and it's still pretty low. So yeah, looks good. See how it drives tomorrow. See you in the morning. Good morning. It's the next morning after, and we are going to Cafe and Machine. So as you know, the seat's in now. I'm always skinnier in the morning. I've been working out for about 11 weeks now, and every time I'm sweating I'm like, think of the bucket seat, think of the bucket seat. So yeah, we're finally in it. And on the drive home last night, oh my god, what a difference. Yeah, it just felt so different just to be planted. So unfortunately it's just started to like rain, and anyone that knows me will know that I hate my car getting wet. But past couple of months I've realised that life is too short. I've spent all this money getting the car protected, finding the cleanest shell that I could find. Yeah, like I say, On a Mission, they did an amazing job protecting all the inside, everything like that. So out of all cars, this is going to be the one that's protected the most. So what's a bit of rain? So it is 7:30 in the morning. Let's wake up the neighbours. You know, I've got it lowered a bit just so it's not up here. But it's just so big that, yeah, I definitely need a smaller steering wheel. But apart from that, oh man, just being in a seat that holds you is, yeah, it's next level. And obviously you can get the SR3 Recaros. I've had those so many times in all my Civics, Integras, everything like that. And whilst they're amazing seats for 400, 500 quid including the rails, and that's what they used to be years ago. And yeah, I'm just not, I don't know, for 1200 odd quid, might as well buy something else, you know. So that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, and this bucket seat here, this Bride Zeta or Zeta 3, I don't know how you pronounce it, or Brid, sorry, was a bargain. It was a great deal. Or so I think anyway. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was an average price, but I thought it was an alright price, including the Ride rails. And it's the one I've always wanted. So, well, I've always wanted pole positions, but I've always wanted these Brid gradation pattern seats as well. So, yeah, the rain's coming down a bit now, unfortunately. Dale from On a Mission will be happy that I'm using the car in the rain. I hope it does stop raining, because all I've got is shorts and t-shirt. Pretty grey. Not the nicest of weather. Certainly not the nicest of weather to take some pictures in. But it is what it is. It's just more good to get out in the car. See Dale and Amy and Justin. Justin's going to be there from the Discord. We're about 5 minutes away. This rain has stopped and the blue sky is coming out. And just after driving for, you know, probably 2 hours now with this seat, it's such a better driving position. You know, your arm angle, if they have like this with the shifter, is like, yeah, everything's better. Your angle of your legs on the pedals, everything's better. So yeah, it's definitely good to not have a standard seat, I'll tell you that. Morning, mate. Hello, mate.
Alright.
Not bad, how are you?
Oh, you got right there, look, and you got your mirror out.
I told you I would one day.
Well, that car there, you can fucking door there, isn't it?
I think everyone's going down there.
Oh, not round up there, look.
Naked, yeah.
Successful day. Yes,
Take it easy, ready to ship away.
I always do, mate.
Good day, yeah?
Yeah, you too, mate. Take care. So all in all, a good day. So I got there first. I beat Dale and Amy and a couple of their friends. Justin came at 10 o'clock. So yeah, it's been a good day. Yeah, really glad that everyone could come out. Really glad that I could go out. Yeah, enjoy the car, enjoy the weather, because the weather has been good. Had a lot of attention on the car. I've put it up on some ramps and put a mirror underneath it. Which I always laughed and joked about with Justin saying I wasn't going to do it, but let's be honest. I took the mirror off the wall in the house and put it in the car, so someone put on their Instagram, I don't know who it was, but two people I had a good chat with. I think he did a bit of a story saying it was the car of the show, the car of the day, which is always good to hear. So that's big props to On a Mission there, Dale and Amy on a mission. A lot of really nice comments about the car. So really glad we made it. Really glad we got to spend some time, and obviously I got a really good spot there. So I've come down a lane because there was traffic on the other lane. First of all, it's a massive cambered road, so I'm paranoid as hell about my sump. And there's bloody cows crossing, and now there's a car coming, so how's this going to work? This is a tight ass lane. Good lord. What the hell is going on? I need to get off this road. I made it off that lane, thankfully. Back on the big roads, thankfully. So we've got about 45 minutes till we get home. So we're nearly back at my dad's place now. Good drive back, except from the that horrible lane with the cows crossing. But yeah, it's been a really good day. There was a YouTuber called Ollie Ross there. I'm not sure if anyone's heard of him. He had a meet there. So it's basically a Honda takeover. There's a load of Hondas there. The car's driving really good. Seat feels great in terms of the angle. I definitely need to lose some more pounds to fit in it comfortably. Don't know if it's really possible because it is quite a small seat, so maybe I need to get another seat. back home now. So all in all, a good day. Got to meet Dale and Amy, a couple of other people, and obviously Justin as well. Thank you to anyone who's watched the video. It's been a long process with these videos, so thanks to anyone who's stuck around, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the partial finished project. There's always more to come, never finished, but yeah, thank you for anyone who's watched, liked and subscribed and all that shit. So we'll catch you next time.